Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the Hand family.
This is a family. Let's count them and see how many there are and who they can be. This is the mother who loves everyone. And this is the father who is lots of fun.
This is my sister. She helps and she plays. And this is the baby. He's growing each day.
But who is this one? He's out there alone. Why, it's Jackie the dog, and he's chewing a bone. I really like that poem. I like it, but